Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TRTC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement the past couple of days, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some levels of support and resistance as we head into the weekend. First level of support is what I would call the ideal level. I mean, if you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up above $2.10. Now, don't get me wrong. I'm not saying that if the price falls below 210 that the entire chart's broken or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can somehow manage to continue to stay up above 210, that would definitely be a huge sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so the big picture point of view, that is where the purple line down here comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. This right here being defined as quote-unquote the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that. Again, sure, staying above $2.10, that would be great. But from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above 210, then the bulls 100% own the chart. Now, what about levels of resistance? Initial area of resistance, right up here at $2.20. So there's, essentially a little miniature channel that is formed, and the top of that channel is going to be at 220. After 220, basically a miniature blue sky breakout as the next level of resistance, not until way up there at around $2.50 where the party stopped at today. So, that'll be the overall level, but as it stands right now, there is, like I said, that little miniature channel that is formed. So if the price can get above 220, you could definitely see a decent sized pop to the upside. But, that's going to depend on, you want to see a good high volume break of the upside of that channel if that occurs. But all in all, a lot of eyeballs on this one. I'm sure there's going to be plenty of eyeballs on it next week. So let's see how it plays out. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.